Hey guys, it's Harry here from Melbourne Protective Coatings. I thought I'd show you one of our most recent projects completed for our clients right in the nick of time for Christmas. Hope you enjoy it. This project required the use of an all-terrain scissor lift, so we had our two scissor specialists spraying all the tops. We've also re-rendered the bottom and painted it with the beautiful Colorbond wind spray. On this project we used 545 litres, completed in 7 days. Luckily the weather was on our side. We used a 5-man crew plus myself. The job started with a sugar soap and a pressure wash all around. Then we applied an undercoat to every surface. We re-rendered all these textured surfaces down here, and 2 coats of premium Dulux weather shield on top. I hope you've enjoyed viewing our most recent project. If you'd like to get in contact with us, our contact details will be on the screen below.